What's up, my YouTube family? Got a pickup today. These right here are the Air Foamposite 1 black varsity red. These right here called the cough drops. Let y'all take a look at them. Nothing on the paper. These babies, so nice. Got these from a place called Hibbett Sports in Alabama. I think that's like a 1 cent logo. Nike Air on the inside. Nice, real nice. Foams, like, man, they basically indestructible. Get you a pair of these, you're gonna be good for some years. Then this colorway will go with like just about anything. Second pair identical, but they're pretty nice. Let me know in the comments what you guys think about them. Until the next time, peace, blessings, and please subscribe. Peace out.